We want to cut the cost of buying transformers abroad and build our mind, the young people's mind, get them from universities, those that have nothing to do. Bring them into the fold, teach them something new, give them hope.
It's a worthy goal that became reality through government intervention.
Manufacturing is being resuscitated and getting a new lease on life.
$300,000. That's the minimum number of micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises known as MSMEs registered in Jamaica. Through various agencies and methods, the government is helping to develop these businesses into thriving, profitable enterprises. Recently, 3 public bodies combined tactics, finances, and business acumen to develop a concept into an entrepreneurial entity that is facilitating economic growth and job creation. Here is the transformer story.
I was forced to travel to various countries just to set up refurbishment, transformer refurbishment. I said to myself, fantastic, but I don't do this in Jamaica. I need to do this home.
Long story short, Granville Reed developed a proposal and submitted it to Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO. The promotions agency bought into the concept and came on board to help drive its birth. First step was to strengthen the business plan. A one revenue stream idea for manufacturing transformers was expanded to incorporate consulting and maintenance, as well as the development of trained technicians who can be sent to work in the sector overseas. JAMPRO then helped the transformer company source an investment of $35 million from the Exim Bank. Jamaica Bauxite Mining Limited also came on board to identify a site for the company. And so approximately 45,000 square feet of the old bauxite plant in Litford St. Anne became home to Federal Transformer. After almost 2 years of research and business development,
today, the company is in receipt of a 3-year contract to exclusively supply Jamaica Public Service Transformer refurbishing, maintenance, and consulting services. In addition, the FTMC will be working with Wigton Wind Farm in Manchester, as well as major hotels that generate their own electricity. Already, the company has employed 23 persons and looks to increase to over 200 employees in 3 years.
We can cut the cost of buying transformers abroad, build in Jamaica. We don't have to depend on foreigners to come down and do it.
In the last 3 years, we spent over 10 million, closer to 11 actually, US dollars, on buying new transformers. So the impact is going to be so significant on JPS. It's good for the country, it's good for the youth.
As a society, we recognize the need to encourage investments. And when I read the business plan, I felt that this is something that Jamaica needed. A, it represents employment opportunities. B, more importantly, it represents transfer of technology. What we need is skills. We need technology transfer to build our young people.
Giving birth to a project, a business project, is not easy anywhere in the world. It takes a lot of diligence, and that's why they have developed this word, due diligence. But that is why JAMPRO is here. That's why we do what we do, to help you along the way.
I therefore want to go on record to inform the directors of Federal Transformer Manufacturing and Consulting Limited that now that you have opened shop in Jamaica, the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce and its agency and other supporting agencies in government will continue to help you to make the most of your investment. The handholding exercise must continue until not only you start to creep, but you start to run.
if you have a business idea, big or small, give JAMPRO a call. They are on board to help you and help Jamaica achieve economic growth and job creation.